What is up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of hodling. Okay? Xander made a song about that. You guys should check that out. I'll leave it linked in the description. But we're going to talk about the importance today because we saw a huge run-up in November, December. And in January, we had a huge drop. Dropped 60%, 65%, somewhere in that range. And a lot of people got flushed out of the market, got flushed out real quick. The weekend sold, and they took major losses because a lot of people got in November, December when the market was going up. And we're going to throw some toy numbers out there. Before I do that, though, I am not a professional financial advisor, nor am I a professional investment advisor. These are simply my opinions, and no numbers I throw out are in any way, shape, or form the amount of holdings I have in cryptocurrency. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move forward. So let's just say, we're here on the low end for crypto, okay? Let's say $1,000. That's an easy number we can talk about, okay? Let's say you invested $1,000 into crypto over the last couple months before this big downturn, okay? And let's say we dropped 65% from that. And so you're down to about 400 bucks. You know, at the beginning of February, you're down to about 400 bucks. A lot of people were in this similar position and they sold. They said, you know what, I'm going to cut my losses. I'm selling, I'm taking my 400 bucks, I'm running, and I'm never doing cryptocurrency again. Now, this is why we stress that you should never invest more than you're willing to lose in cryptocurrency, because the market is very volatile, and if you're not mature enough to handle that, then things are going to happen. Now, this individual, whoever we're talking about, right, hypothetically, they didn't lose that $600 until they sold for $400, okay? You only lose when you sell. That's why we say to hold, right? And as the market's taken a bit of a turn upwards, literally within a couple days, if you were to hold on to that 400 bucks, you'd be looking at close to 600 bucks in holdings now. So when you think about it like that, it sounds pretty ridiculous. You know, why not hold till the market gets better? If that money, if you don't need this money to pay your rent, which if that's the case, you shouldn't even be involved in cryptocurrency right now. Keep an eye on it, you know, be involved, but don't invest what you can't afford to lose. That's the first rule of cryptocurrency. Don't put it on your credit card, right? That's why all these banks are not allowing you to purchase cryptocurrency on your credit card. They're blocking those transactions because they don't want people doing stupid stuff like that. So, you know, if you can't afford to have that money tied up in the market for, you know, a couple weeks to a month to 2 months to 3 months, whatever the market wants to do, then you need to not invest that money, okay? And if you can only put $100 a month in it, you only put $100 a month in it. That's just the way it goes. So those are kind of the things that I want to talk about and stress the importance of holding, because think about it. We could hit $600 billion tomorrow. You just don't know. And with that being said, you know, I completely understand you got to cut your losses at some point, but you don't do it that way. If you're thinking in those terms, that's where you set stop losses. On every exchange, you can do that. You set a stop loss. When it hits a certain point, it sells everything you have, right? A stop limit, stop loss, whatever you want to call it. So set your stops. That way you get stopped out and you're good. And you got your Bitcoin, or there's no USD trading pairs, but you got your Bitcoin, and you can convert it to USD whenever you want, right? So those are kind of the things I want to talk about and stress the importance of holding, because a week or even a day can make all the difference. So you're sitting here stressing out because the market's at 300 and some odd billion dollars, coming down from $800 billion. And, you know, within 2, 3, 4 days, market's already back up to 444. So you're looking real dumb having sold in the 300 billions and taking a massive loss. So that's the end of my rant, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for keeping up with crypto. Let me know about you guys' experience with holding or selling too early down below in the comment section. I will see you next time.